Dao, the powers that connects the world. Ming, that lightens the land everywhere. Daoming, embrace the night with safety and dispel the darkness with reflection. In the hardware capital of China, Yongkang, there's such an enterprise which advocates independent innovation and integrity, which has taken a stride from the reflective materials to the new material field, which is a leader in the domestic traffic and industrial safety field, and which is the largest production base of reflective materials in Asia. This enterprise is Daoming Optics and Chemical Company Limited. At present, Daoming owns, controls and holds shares of several subsidiaries, including Zhejiang Longyou Daoming Optics and Chemical Company Limited, Zhejiang Daoming Photoelectric Technology Company Limited, Changzhou Huawei New Materials Company Limited, and Daoming New Materials Company Limited. Daoming also operates overseas business in countries such as the United States, Poland, Brazil, India, South Korea, Japan, and Pakistan, etc. In 2012, at the approval of Zhejiang Provincial Department of Science and Technology, it established the Zhejiang Provincial Reflective Materials Engineering Technology R&D Center. As of now, Daoming owns over 130 patents and over 18 registered trademarks, domestic and abroad, leads or partakes in the formulation of a number of national industrial standards, and has won many honorary titles, such as National Contract Honorary and Credit Respecting Enterprise, National Key High-Tech Enterprise, etc. In 2019, the company invested several hundred million RMB to establish the Daoming Hangzhou Industrial Research Institute to further increase the strength in the introduction and cultivation of high-level innovative talent and reinforce the research and development technical background of the company. By its strong research and development capabilities, Daoming now is a leader of the industry. The company's products cover the three major lines of the safety production field, that is, personal, vehicle, and road. They're widely used in road traffic signs, vehicle safety protection devices, clothing, emergency rescue, and other fields. Daoming is a leading and backbone enterprise of the domestic reflective material industry with the largest scale and the most comprehensive product portfolio. Daoming has always stayed loyal to its original aspiration, persisted in and been continuously stepping up the R&D and investment of the microprismatic reflective field and promoted its domestic production. Nowadays, the Daoming prismatic reflective films are successfully sold across the country and all over the world, no lesser than foreign competitors. The Marine Film is the only product in China that has CCS and SOLAS certificate, and the only marine film product in Asia that has passed the U.S. Coast Guard USCG certification, thus qualified for use in global waters. The DM license plate film dominates the domestic market in sales figures as one of the few enterprises in China that have the ability to produce license plate films for new energy vehicles. Daoming is the first Chinese manufacturer to pass the food test on new energy vehicle plate films. Daoming is committed to guarding the safety of the people's lives and to guiding the direction of every road. This is the Daoming's way of business, also its road of development. The company actively accelerates the pace of its international strategy. It has opened up the markets of Brazil and the South American community countries and entered the markets in India, Pakistan, and the Middle East. It has been actively integrating into the One Belt, One Road initiative and created a brand new situation of Open Up. Daoming owns a complete product certification system. The company has introduced advanced equipment, optimized its production process, instituted strict quality control, and adopted efficient MES production information management system to create a solid, reliable, comprehensive, and feasible manufacturing collaborative management platform. The company owns both intelligent, stereoscopic storage systems and a fast and efficient logistics system. Daoming has been continuously improving the informatization, automation, and intelligence level of its production lines, with priority on green development for many years. Daoming has successfully invested more than 30 million RMB to build a high-altitude, surface, and underground 3-in-1 environmental protection project, and introduced a successfully domestic leading distributed solar photovoltaic power generation system, international advanced regenerative incineration oxidation furnace, and ground source heat pump system to create the green development and environmental protection project, save energy, reduce emissions, and realize clean production. During its development course, Daoming has always felt the close care of leaders at all levels, which has been inspiring the Daoming staff to seek the Chinese dream with perseverance. In 2019, Daoming accelerates its industrial layout and plans and constructs a security town project in Huangjie town of Yongkang, a contribution of Daoming to the cause of emergency rescue. The development of the company requires the best effort of every employee, and the care of the company will further urge the employees to work in a better mental state. Daoming actively carries out employee care activities to enrich the employees' spare time and is enthusiastic about public welfare. By popularizing the ideas of Daoming, it strives to become a company of quality and warmth. Through actively exploring, Daoming has grown from a manufacturer of reflective materials, lithium battery flexible packaging films, and functional optical films, into a comprehensive service provider of flexible optical and electric new materials. And with gradually perfected polymer functional materials research and manufacturing system, it has formed a diversified industrial structure and contributed to the Chinese dream with its every practical action. Accompanied by light to guard every hope, accompanied by the road to greet every dream. Daoming, by focusing on human security protection and with specialized production capacity and innovation-driven spirit, will lead the global industry to a new direction and a higher new level. With consistent focus and pursuit of innovation, it has set sail towards the goal of the protection of human security. Daoming, safety guardian of the world.